How to do page settings in Google Docs. So in the page setting option, you can change the page size, you can change the page color, also you can change the change the page diagram and all. So I will show in this video how you can setting up your page in Google Docs. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open Google Docs. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Google Docs. So I just take the new page, blank page. So you can see I have only one page here. So now if you want to set up your page, we need to go in file and go to the page setup. Here you can see the second last option, which is called page setup. Just click on it. Now you can see this is the page setup. This is a page list. Okay, this page list formula allow you to add the white images and table. Okay, so just come to the pages, and here you can see if you want to apply your changes to whole document, so you have to select the whole document. Okay, or if you want to apply only one page, apply your changes only one page, then maybe currently I have only one page. So you can see, yeah, this is other document, I have multiple page. Okay, so what you need to do, first select the page content. You have to select that page content like this if you want to apply only one page. Okay, then go to the file and go to the page setup. Now you can see there is an option visible selected content. So whatever you make changes here, it will be only apply for that selected page content or content. Okay, so for now we apply whole documents, means it will be applied to your all documents. Okay, means if you have all 4 pages, 5 pages, that it will be applied to your all pages. Okay, so now you can change the orientation, like you can make a landscape or portrait. So by default it is portrait. If you want landscape, you can make the your Google page document landscape. Here you can see the top margin, bottom margin, which you can easily manage from the ruler. Okay, this is your left margin, this is the right margin, you can change from here, and this is top and bottom margin. Okay, you can also set as a you can also manage from here also. Okay, this is the page color. Okay, you can also change the page color if you want. You can see the page color has been changed. Okay, so now if you want to remove that all effect, go to the page setup again and make as a set as a default and click. Okay, so go to the page setup, whole document. Okay, okay, so by default, when you make by default, it is only change the top margin and all. So I need to change customly. So make white and just click OK, it will be changed. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.